Welcome to the MySmartEMoney Demo video. In this video, we will do a quick demonstration of what MySmartEMoney can do. MySmartEMoney is an account-free money transfer system that gives you possession of electronic bills and resembles payment with physical cash. Think of cash in the real world. Your ownership of physical cash is defined by your physical ownership of bills. Your ownership of these e-bills is established by the knowledge of the bill's unique identifier and password. In essence, if you know the name of an e-bill and its corresponding password, you are the owner of the e-money. Okay, let's begin by creating some e-money to play around with. Click on the link at the bottom of the page to get started. You can use MySmartEMoney with either an email account or a cell phone number. In this demo, we are going to use an email account. First, let's decide how much money we want to make. Let's make $36. Which will be one of each bill in the first column. We can click the drop-down menu next to each bill to select how many e-bills in that denomination we want to make. There. Let's now create this money. Put your email address or cell phone number in the text field at the bottom, and then click the button. Now, let's check our email. You can see that you have just received information about the transfer, the electronic bills which you just created, and because it is the first transfer you have made, you also received a password, which now allows you to connect to the wallet application and use its various functionalities. Let's now log in and see what we can do. Click on the Login tab on the main page. Now enter your email address or cell phone number that you used and your new password. You now have the option to change your password, but we'll just keep the one we have for now. Now, click on the button. You are now logged in. We can now open our virtual wallet and see what e-bills we have. Here you can see the essence of MySmartEMoney. Each of your e-bills has a name and a password. The knowledge of these names and passwords is what makes you the lawful owner of these e-bills. Luckily, the wallet application takes care of this information for you, so you don't need to memorize any of these names or passwords. Just keep them to yourself. Let's finish this video by making our first e-money transfer. You would use this in any situation that you would use real cash in. For example, let's pay our friend Patrick for that pizza we split, or that gas you used to drive, or any other cash transaction you can think of. Let's pay Patrick $20. Now just put that amount in the text field and then who you're sending it to, in this case Patrick. Then press Execute Payment. Patrick now has $20 more in his wallet. If we didn't have exact change to give, the wallet application can exchange bills for you. This is not the only situation where you might want to transfer e-money. MySmartEMoney will eventually be available everywhere that you use cash. For example, any store, gas station, restaurant, vending machine, online vendor, etc. When you receive e-money, you can also immediately check whether these are valid bills. In conclusion, the advantage of MySmartEMoney is that you don't have an online bank account, or any other fees that would be associated with having that type of an account. And you are able to use your e-money just as you would physical cash. This video went over just a few of the great features of MySmartEMoney. We encourage you to go to the site and try it out yourself. Thanks for watching.